What are tenses? Tense refers to the time of action, present, past, or future, expressed by a verb. There are three main categories: present, past, and future. Each has four aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Present tenses. Present simple tense. Example: she reads books. Usage: general truths, habits, and routines. Present continuous, progressive, tense. Example: she is reading a book. Usage: actions happening now or in progress. Present tenses. Present perfect tense. Example: she has read 5 books. Usage: actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past, or actions that have relevance now. Present perfect continuous tense. Example: she has been reading for 2 hours. Usage: actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Past tenses. Past simple tense. Example: she read a book. Usage: actions completed in the past. Past continuous, progressive, tense. Example: she was reading when I called. Usage: ongoing actions in the past or actions interrupted by another action. Past tenses. Past perfect tense. Example: she had read the book before I called. Usage: action completed before another past action. Past perfect continuous tense. Example: she had been reading for 2 hours when I called. Usage: ongoing action that was happening before another past event. Future tenses. Future simple tense. Example: she will read the book. Usage: predictions, promises, and future intentions. Future continuous, progressive, tense. Example: she will be reading at 8 p.m. Usage: ongoing actions at a specific future time. Future tenses. Future perfect tense. Example: she will have read the book by tomorrow. Usage: actions that will be completed before a certain future time. Future perfect continuous tense. Example: she will have been reading for 2 hours by 8 p.m. Usage: ongoing actions that will have been happening for some time before a specific future point. Focus on mastering the basic tenses first, then gradually move to more complex structures like perfect and continuous forms. Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask in the comment and I'll be happy to clarify any doubts you may have.